Alright, so I'm going to show you guys this project. This is just a sneak peek. We're 4-inch all the way out, and we don't want them to hit the pipe ever, so we go under the sidewalk with dual wall. You can see everything is tile taped. French Drain Man has a 3.5-inch to 4-inch reducer. Tile tape everything. You guys can see, full bubble, no gimmicks, full bubble. So we have catch basins. The main line is 4-inch. Everything branching off is 3.5-inch. Here, unfortunately, we had to put copper mesh, copper sulfate. We had to add it in here. There were so many roots from all these palm trees. We have catch basins with risers. We use French Drain Man's 3-inch pipe here to get the AC drip line, and then 4-inch. See, everything tile taped. I'm telling you, that we went through some work here. We had to cut a lot of big roots, a lot of things. As you guys can see right here, they're going to redo the pavers eventually, but we're going to put them back the same way they were. Everything's tile taped, everything's put together. We had to be 3.5-inch back here. This is why we love French Drain Man bringing out that 3.5-inch pipe. It makes it so much easier to run through areas, because we had to start shallow back here. D box also is a catch basin to collect any water here. Everything is tile taped. This runs in through a Y, goes through a distribution box for all the roof shingle, gravel, and debris. And we made sure there's perfect fall. Now, instead of running this one to a Y here, we extended it and got it to go out here, so that water's pushing through here, this water's pushing, and then we build even more pressure through here. I mean, you guys can see, this is no gimmicks here. We want to make sure this client never has this issue again. We have everything connected, so right now we're going to start covering everything up finally. Just trying to show you guys the current project. So we're running 4-inch, 3.5-inch, and 3-inch. 3 inches just for this AC drip line, 3.5 inches off the downspouts, 4 inches your main line, running all the way out to the road. Gotta add that one downspout. Everything's going to a clog-free pop-up. I'd say it's good. I'll show you guys the other side. We already ran everything through here. Most of the stuff died because of the frost we just got a week and a half ago. D-box, and then we have a pop-up out here. Same thing here. Pop-up. D-box, downspout, running another downspout right here. And then we have another D-box here for the channel drain with the 3.5-inch pipe. And it rained the other day, and wow, I love the way these things flow. So what we did is we got rid of the old channel drain and we split it in two. So water's running that way through here, so it doesn't get overwhelmed. They were getting a lot of water in their garage. Still got to fix this up a little bit. Made the cuts already, got everything prepped. And we're running it through here with that downspout going through here. Another D-box. You're gonna be able to access the system through so many areas. It's amazing. Got another pop-up here. So we have 4 pop-ups, and we're running 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 downspouts. But I mean, everything is looking amazing. I'll make a video when it's raining. Can't wait till the storm starts so I can start recording some of our... We've had some major installs in 2025. Big installs. I've bit more than what I could chew, and I found out that I can chew it. So now, we're going in. If you guys need any drainage work, Orlando, Central Florida, surrounding areas, give us a call at Sam's French Drains, 321-245-8890.